Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
अस्सलाम गाइस, उम्मीद है कि आप ठीक होंगे। आज मैं बात करने लगा हूँ वर्ल्ड करंट अफेयर्स से रिलेटेड MCQs का पार्ट 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, द पाकिस्तान रिमोट सेंसिंग सैटेलाइट 1 PRSS-1 is the first optical remote sensing satellite sold to Pakistan by option A USA, option B China, option C Turkey, option D none of these. The right answer is option B China. Question number 62, Organization of Islamic Cooperation OIC extraordinary meeting was held in option A Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, option B Islamabad, Pakistan, option C Istanbul, Turkey, option D none of these. Right answer is option C Istanbul, Turkey. Question number 63, which country recently relocated its embassy from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem? Option A USA, option B UK, option C Canada, option D none of these. The right answer is option A USA. Question number 64, which country has appointed first Pakistani origin cabinet member Sajid Javed as the new Home Secretary? Option A USA, option B UK, option C Canada, option D none of these. The right answer is option B UK. Question number 65, which country court disqualified his foreign minister for not disclosing his salary drawn from a UAE company and holding a UAE account? Option A Pakistan, option B Iceland, option C India, option D none of these. The right answer is option A Pakistan. Question number 66, which country tops in the 2018 World Press Freedom Index, a report released by Reporters Sans Frontiers (RSF)? Option A New Zealand, option B Norway, option C Switzerland, option D none of these. The right answer is option B Norway. Question number 67, which country will host non-aligned movement name 18th Summit 2019? Option A Venezuela, option B Azerbaijan, option C Iran, option D none of these. The right answer is option B Azerbaijan. Question number 68, recently dash country ends the reservation in government jobs? Option A Bangladesh, option B India, option C Malaysia, option D none of these. The right answer is option A Bangladesh. Question number 69, the world's first 3D printed house unveiled in option A USA, option B Germany, option C France, option D none of these. The right answer is option C France. Question number 70, the 17th Wow Forum for Asia Annual Conference 2018 was held on option A 8th to 11 April, option B 10th to 12 March, option C 8th to 11 February, Option D, none of these. The right answer is option A, 8 to 11 April. थैंक यू गाइस। ये थी पार्ट 7 से रिलेटेड वीडियो। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें, कमेंट बॉक्स में अपनी राय ज़रूर दें और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू।